I'm gonna show you how to make. So only using spinning wheel. How to make. Nah, I already did that one. Let's try again. Angry Axo. I think that one's not available. Yeah, try that again. G major 4. Okay. Let's get started. Let's add layer. It's typed Sony Vegas. Transform, filter, basic. That looks like gray reverse. Now blending, multiply. If you do Samsung logo balls, you gotta do gain. Sound pitch will be +5. Pitches 0, 5. 0 and 5. I mean that one. Okay, result is here.
Lots of fun in the sun. We're going on a camping trip. Join our hands, sing a song. Everybody come along. Happy campers looking here. So join us on our camping trip. Join our hands, sing a song. Everybody come along. Happy campers looking here. So join us on our camping trip.
Here are results. Okay, let me check. I'm in microphone. Let's watch it again because I already checked thing. That's a little bit of changed speed.
Grab your hat, hit the road, let's skip. Lots of fun in the sun. We're going on a camping trip. Join our hands, sing a song. Everybody come along. Happy campers looking here. So join us on our camping trip. Join our hands, sing a song. Join our hands, sing a song. Everybody come along. Happy campers looking here. So join us on our camping trip.
And all you need to do is upload it on YouTube. See you next time. Bye.